everybody. Thank you so much for coming. I, Praneet Babbar, Ehsaas Woman of Amritsar, extend a warm welcome to each of you at this splendid gathering for the Right Circle, an initiative proudly hosted under the prestigious aegis of the Prabha Khaitan Foundation. It is indeed an evening brimming with joy of literature, where words and ideas will flow amidst an assembly of discerning minds and literary enthusiasts. The Right Circle offers an unparalleled platform where authors are celebrated, their voices amplified, and their words cherished by an appreciative niche audience. This intimate setting allows our literary community to engage with authors, their worlds, fostering a camaraderie of minds and hearts. This evening, we are graced by the presence of a multifaceted personality and very talented author, Harshita Gupta. A hearty welcome to you, Harshita. Known for her remarkable insight and versatility, Harshita's literary journey is as inspiring as it is intriguing. In conversation with her is Reena Kundra, whose thoughtful perspective will undoubtedly enhance this evening's discourse. We are thrilled to have you both with us. Thank you. The event is made even more special through our association with our hospitality partner, Taj Swarna Amritsar, whose gracious support sets the perfect stage for this evening's gathering. We are pleased to have Dainik Jagran as our Hindi print media partner. Additionally, this evening would not be possible without the unwavering support of the Ehsaas Women of Amritsar, me, Praneet Babbar, Preeti Gill, who is unfortunately not here today, and Sheetal Khanna. A special acknowledgement to our eminent patron, Shree Cement Limited, for their steadfast commitment to fostering literature and arts through their CSR initiative. Before moving ahead with this session, allow me to say a few words about the foundation. The Prabha Khaitan Foundation is a non-profit trust committed to humanitarian and social-cultural causes. The late Dr. Prabha Khaitan established it as a charitable trust in the early 1980s. Based in Kolkata, it is committed to supporting women's empowerment, gender equality, literature, culture, and performing arts. Late Dr. Prabha Khaitan was an eminent Indian literator, philanthropist, social worker, entrepreneur, and feminist who established the foundation and believed in unity in diversity. The foundation's multifaceted initiatives include the Right Circle, Kalam, Akhar, Kitab, and Author's Afternoon, Lafz, Ek Mulaqat, Tete-a-Tete, The Universe Writes, Chopal, Rahat, Karuna, and Muskan. These fall under the diverse verticals of literature and language, culture and heritage, social welfare and women's empowerment. We are elated to share that 3-time Grammy Award winner, Ricky Cage, the mastermind behind the anthem and signature caller tune of Prabha Khaitan Foundation, has curated a number of remarkable musical pieces for the video invites of our events. The Foundation's social media platforms and communications across India and overseas. The music of the month for November is The Harmony of Drums, Oud and Duduk, a musical piece where each beat and melody comes together to honor November's shift in seasons. To raise awareness in the community, we highlight one pressing social issue every month. The cause of the month for November is End the Silence, Stop the Violence, in commemoration of International Day for the elimination of violence against women, celebrated annually on 25th November. Now, allow me to introduce you all to the guest of today. Harshita Gupta. Harshita is a dynamic and multi-talented artist who began her journey as a radio personality and has since become a prominent comedy content producer across all major social media platforms. In 2023, Harshita's remarkable influence in the digital world earned her a coveted spot on Forbes' India's top list of top 100 digital stars. Unloved is her first book. In conversation with her this evening, we have Reena Kundra. With 25 years in education, Reena leads Cambridge Junior School as principal, fostering both academic excellence and creativity. An ardent supporter of the arts, Reena is an acclaimed playwright and president of Theatre Wala's group, bringing vibrancy to the local arts scene. Let us now embark on an enchanting evening of dialogue, discovery, and delight as we celebrate the written word and the transformative power of stories. Without further ado, I request Reena to please come up here, and Harshita.
Harshita. Thank you. So you've already heard her journey, which is really, really amazing. So you're meeting this dynamic girl who is multifaceted and multi-talented. At the same time, in such a short span, she reached so much, she done so much, that I am actually awestruck. So why I'm awestruck is because normally, young age children, because I think we all are in that category of middle age and senior middle age, normally the young children do not know what to do with their life. We are figuring it out, Mom, we are figuring it out. When did you figure out what you had to do and when and how?
Actually, thank you so much for inviting me here. It's an absolute honor to be here. When did I figure actually? I was as clueless as anybody would be. I like all the people of my generation, not this generation. This generation was pretty sorted. My generation. But I think my dad played a very, very vital role in everything that I do. He only introduced me to the course called Journalism and Mass Communication. Radio was one of my subjects, and I think internship करके कहीं पे भी you choose radio, you choose print, you choose electronic media. Internship gives you an idea how the world is going to be for you. So when I actually did my first internship in Doordarshan, I was so bored. I was like, oh God, I can't do this. How are people doing this? Then I changed my internship to radio. I saw Alia Bhatt coming in, Arjun Kapoor coming in for interviews for movies. I'm like, nice. This is something that I want to do for the life, at least for 2-3 years of my life. And then radio became the stepping stone in my life. So I think experiencing things and trying to figure what you really want to do can only help you to figure out the ways and paths in your life.
So, having said this, your parents did not take any credit for any of your...
Oh, my father, he's a very snooty man. He still takes credits for everything. DJMC का मतलब भी नहीं पता था तुम्हें. I'm like, it's fine, Dad, it's fine. You don't have to be mean all the time.
Again, talking from parents' perspective, what happens is the child who is good in studies, बहुत पढ़ाकू बच्चा है, ये तो ISC बनेगा, I know. कोई बच्चा खिलौने तोड़ रहा है, ये तो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर ही बनेगा. कोई बच्चा साड़ी पहन रहा है, लिपस्टिक लगा रहा है, ये तो फैशन डिजाइनिंग में ही जाएगा. So they choose their careers according to their inclination, right?
Yeah.
So did you do something of some sort which led your father think ये बच्चे को यहाँ डालना है?
So I was very ziddi, Ariel, Bataviz. Dad makes a prize of it. Papa's like absolute journalist in the house.
I think your father should go into career counseling. Yeah. He got it right.
I didn't know what I wanted to do. असल मेरे को लगा ऐसे fashion designing करनी होगी मुझे कुछ क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था. And my dad also used to call me. My dad had zero expectations and hopes from me. He thought that I will end up being nothing and doing nothing. And he used to call me Lagda Ghoda. ठीक है? And when he actually sent me for my education. He said कि मैं देखो लंगड़े घोड़े पे दांव खेल रहा हूँ.
Okay.
And now I tell in front of my dad, आपका लंगड़ा घोड़ा सबसे तेज भाग रहा है.
लंबी रेस का घोड़ा.
सबसे तेज भाग रहा है वो.
लंबी रेस का घोड़ा निकला.
Yeah.
ठीक है जी. अच्छा, even I feel your father, what I saw and read,
Yeah.
that he also had some inclination towards acting and all that. And I see him in the reels, and he's like a pro actually.
Yeah.
Right. So does he take claim that मेरे jeans गए मेरी बच्ची में?
हाँ हाँ, full credit. पापा को जहाँ मिलता है मौका क्रेडिट लेने का वो ले लेते हैं. And I think हाँ है भी because he has never stopped me from experimenting. He has given me the playground. He said even if you fail, it's fine. You will get up again.
Points parents, please note.
So I think बच्चे को ये बोलना कि फेल नहीं होना है, वो उसको सबसे पहले डरा देगा और वो बोलेगा नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं करना. Because कोई जब शुरू करता है ना काम तो ये सोच के नहीं करता कि नहीं मैं तो कर ही ले जाऊंगा. The child is scared. I was scared when I entered the industry. Industry is so rude, so harsh. So my father never actually said कि नहीं तुम्हें ये करना है या ये करना है. No. He gave me a playground. He said play. Even if you fail, it's fine. We'll get up again. We'll do something else. कुछ तो आएगा ना जहाँ पे.
So let's clap for a father.
Yeah, wonderful. I would love to clap for my father.
Right. So normally I've seen, being in education, I've seen children who are late bloomers.
Yeah.
बचपन में they're very quiet, very shy. Suddenly they develop the art of doing everything and perfectly fine.
Yeah.
How was your childhood? Were you something very introvert, extrovert? How?
I
And did you
think-
develop this, you can say, talent later on? How was it?
I think I was always an ambivert.
Okay.
Not exactly an introvert or an extrovert.
Mm-hmm.
It's just the people when I sense the vibe,
Mm-hmm.
that the vibe is just my type. I think I've become very extrovert towards them.
Okay.
So I think it's the ambivert nature, and I think I was always like that. I was very chirpy, bubbly, talking to everyone from all the sections in school also, college also. Had this huge group of friends. Yeah, I think I had that in me since the beginning.
Alright. So you
Absolute
already
journalist
had-
in the house.
Wonderful. So again, your resume or your profile says that you're multitasking. You are an entrepreneur. You've started a brand of chicken curry.
Yes.
Wasn't this enough? You want something more? कि
So-
हर field में जाना है मुझे.
नहीं. So अभी ये था कि so I come from a Banya family, typical Banya family you can imagine. And my father is a businessman.
Okay.
So he thinks कि अगर आपने लाइफ में कभी बिजनेस नहीं किया तो आप अमीर नहीं हो सकते.
Okay.
So I was
All
like,
professions, please here. Job वाले सुनो.
yeah. So I think business मुझे हमेशा से करना था
Mhm.
because I'm being like I'm brought up in a family which has a legacy of some business. तो मुझे business करना था, but something जहाँ मेरा दिल हो.
Okay.
Not to continue with the business that we have.
Okay.
And I think chicken curry, I am from Lucknow.
Yeah.
I am born and brought up in Lucknow. And I absolutely love chicken curry. So जब मेरा शादी का लहंगा बना था,
Mhm.
I wore chicken curry lehenga for my wedding, which took around 7.5 months.
And you got orders.
Like,
That's set the stone ready, right?
no. So तो वो लहंगा scratch से मेरे लिए बना था.
Okay.
6 female artisans worked on it. And जब वो actually बन के आया, वो इतना सुंदर था. तो मैंने कहा कि यार मैं इसका बिजनेस क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ? Being बढ़िया. I can't help it. Yeah, and that's when I decided that I will do chicken curry business.
So, having said this, you have a passion for work,
Yeah.
workaholic,
Yeah.
but still you will be needing a team to help you out, right? For the social media, for so many things, you have a reliable team. Or how you divide your time? Or you the artistic time? जब दिल क्या कर लिया, रात को उठे लिख लिया. How do you manage your time in different fields you have set now?
Actually, I do not have a team for social media and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
I have a team who manages me and gets me work.
Mm-hmm.
But that's based out of Bombay. But actually writer or artist वही होता है जिसका कोई time नहीं होता काम करने का.
Okay.
Whenever I get an idea,
Mm.
it may be 2 in the night,
Mm-hmm.
5 in the morning, 4 in the morning, whenever I have time and I have an idea.
Mm-hmm.
So my notepad is filled with ideas.
Okay.
It has just ideas, nothing else.
You just turn on the light and start writing.
Yeah, the
And what about your
notepads.
husband? Poor he.
He has made peace with it, I guess.
Good, good.
Yeah.
All right. So now you again tried reinventing yourself every time. You try new avenues. You have tried Tell a Tale, So Harshi, then collaborated with Sanyam Sharma and Yuvraj. You seem to be in a hurry to touch the sky and reach the stars.
I'm
You
not a
already
very
have.
impatient
You're there,
person.
really there, huh?
I'm a very impatient
Impatient
person.
person. So what about the kahavat? Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh God, I'm not that for sure. I want everything in a day. मतलब मैं तो था. So when I opened, like मैं business मेरे husband के साथ करती हूँ. So when we launched, I was like, Shiv, why is the stuff not sold out yet? Like this is the first day that you've launched a business. What do you expect? मैंने कहा नहीं अब तक 1 घंटा हो चुका है. I think I'm a very impatient person in general, and I think that describes it all.
Wow. So impatient pace, yeah?
Yeah, it's the
Wonderful.
impatience.
Achha, now coming to the main mudda of today's meet.
Yeah.
Your book called Unloved, The Art of Moving On.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you must have had many, sort of reviews about it.
Yes.
And I got to know it become a national bestseller.
Yes.
So इसका मतलब पूरे देश में बहुत टूटे हुए hearts हैं.
बहुत. This is
टूटे
a generation
hearts
of broken hearts.
हैं. Yeah.
As we
it's
all
very
call
sad
it.
actually.
It is.
मोदी जी को बोलना पड़ेगा कोई योजना बनाए अपने युवा के लिए.
मोदी जी को actually मोदी जी को अनलव पढ़नी चाहिए. It doesn't matter if oh God, this should not be recorded, please.
No, I think they inspired to do that. So what inspired you to write this? Was it based, and it is based on your life experiences, but what I read, and I was actually, sort of struck the guts you had to describe your feelings openly, right? You just bared your soul,
Yeah.
and you discussed about, and you gave and took actual names also, if I'm not wrong,
No,
right?
they're not actual names.
Your name is actual, Harshita.
Of
Your
course.
exes would not be.
Yeah. Nobody else's name is
Okay,
original.
great. But you've written everything you felt,
Yeah.
and in a very basic and as honest manner you've written it.
Yeah.
Weren't you feeling afraid that somebody might judge you? घर वाले, friends, वो पड़ोस की आंटी, वो वाले अंकल, ये बच्ची ने क्या लिख दिया, कैसे लिख दिया?
Yeah. So actually, when I was doing journalism का course ना, I had this one teacher, Amit sir, and he said कि अगर इस field में enter करना है, तो wear a crocodile skin, okay? And that somehow stayed with me. This thing that he said stayed with me. So because he said that it's such a harsh word that if you keep thinking that people will judge you, you'll end up doing nothing. People will judge any which ways. You do things, you don't do things. It's better you do things and let them judge you. Because at least that's time you have done something.
Yeah.
So I generally don't feel what people think about me. I mean, I don't know. I'm too distant from this. लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे. नहीं, ये मेरी कहानी मुझे कहनी थी, मैंने कह दी. Penguin ने छाप लिखा था. Simple.
Having said this, Penguin, you got Penguin as a publication
Yeah.
house to that. That is a very established house.
Yeah.
So how did you manage that? Or they were lucky to get you, I believe.
No. So, when I decided to write the book, and I wanted to write on this particular topic, I reached out to someone in Penguin and I said, I have an idea. They said, you give us a pitch.
Mhm.
So I prepared a deck wherein I wrote the summarization of the chapters, one sample chapter, and of course the author bio. And I think within 14 days I got a yes from them. And I told one more author, like I have an author friend, I told this person and she said, what? You got yes in 14 days? Because Penguin generally takes
Months and they forget
months.
about it.
Yeah. So I have been fortunate enough to.
Or there's so many broken houses, they felt there's going to be a bestseller. So they
Maybe.
wanted this to cash out.
Maybe because I think this book is very relatable for this generation.
Yeah. So your target readers would be
College
College.
from 18 to 30th.
But I'll come to that later. Since I went through the whole book, my
Yeah.
experience I'll tell about in the end, right?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay. So you talked about depression. You talked about therapies.
Yeah.
Yeah. So therapies and depression are something nobody uses that term. They feel again, as you said, you're not
Being judged.
Yeah, being judged. But do you think therapies actually help?
Therapy actually helped me.
Mhm.
So when I was going through this phase of my life, I went crazy. I mean, and I feel breakup is just not physical; it's mental. Mental we don't talk about because we can't see what's happening in the brain.
Right.
But First time I felt depression in 2016, I was in I was in the company, and this company had a very, very toxic work culture. So I did not know back then कि इसे depression कहते हैं.
Okay.
मुझे पता नहीं था. But उस वक्त कुछ ऐसे symptoms थे मेरी body में जो इस time पे दोबारा मुझे दिखे. And that time I knew what it is because I felt the similar thing in 2016. That's when I decided that I want to go for therapy. Because I actually lost it. I used to write दिन में मैं एक साथ बैठ के 100 बार लिखती थी, you know, don't overthink, don't overthink, don't overthink. मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी. मैंने एक meditation sound है मेरे फोन पे, वो on loop बजता था. कई बार तो सुबह 4-5 बज जाता था. I used to just lie awake. मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी. तो extreme weight loss, भूख ना लगना, ये सब मेरे symptoms है because depression is very subjective.
Yeah.
Everybody has different symptoms and everybody will require a different treatment for that particular thing. तो मेरे symptoms ये थे. And when I saw that, you know, nothing is helping me, my mental health was deteriorating every day. As you know that I'm such an impatient person, I love working.
Exactly.
I forgot to smile for months. My parents were worried that, you know, what is wrong with us? What is wrong with her? And somehow they knew that something is going on in her life because they always knew about the things that I have in my life.
So you were open with that?
Yeah, very open. I used to tell them, ki, listen, I have this relationship and this thing is happening and I'm not feeling okay. So, but then that's the time when I decided to take therapy.
And they were okay with it?
So I'll tell you, I did not tell my parents जब मैंने therapy लेना शुरू किया था. One day I remember I was with my father on the terrace and हम ऐसी बात कर रहे थे and suddenly in the conversation I told him कि listen पापा मैं therapy ले रही हूँ. And he ignored that statement completely and he jumped on to some other thing. तो मैंने भी उस बारे में उस टाइम पे दोबारा कुछ बात करी नहीं. But जब हम वापस रूम की तरफ जा रहे थे he stopped and he said कि listen, whatever you are doing, तुम जो भी कर रही हो, if it is helping you in any way, please continue doing that.
Another clap for father. Absolutely.
So he did not understand therapy,
Yeah.
that what is she actually
Yeah. He
doing,
was supporting you.
but he somehow felt that I'm in a better
Better zone,
position
yeah.
from what I was a month back. So he said just continue because he did not understand. And I think, yeah,
Very wise, very wise.
that was the validation I needed at that time.
Yeah, so this book is like generally written from the point of view of helping people, or it was cathartic for you, or you just wanted to get more molas like a Banya should.
I think this was written from just one perspective. I have a lot of friends who are my age, 30, 31, 29, 32. And most of my friends, they just come and tell me that, you know, Ashita, मैं दोबारा प्यार नहीं करना चाहती. I don't want to love again. And that just breaks my heart because I myself gave up on love once. And it's in the book also that, you know, I gave up on love. I said, fuck it, I don't want to love again. But I feel that the problem was the situation, circumstances, or maybe the person. It's not love. Love is one of the most beautiful feelings in the world. And I don't want people to give up on love. Especially this generation. Because this generation is just running from commitment, marriage, relationships. And it just breaks my heart because I'm hopeless romantic.
I was coming to that. So everybody is looking for help.
Yeah.
Why this increasing? Like in our time, we thought married once, done for life and finished.
Such a sorted life. I envy this generation for this, man.
So how come, like, why this generation is
I think it's the availability of options, if I can say.
That would be one.
That, you know, you're just one click away from a new person, an entirely different life of yours. The cheating cases are increasing in numbers, I can't tell you. And you'll get to know, like, you'll get to hear this, maybe a neighbor story. That, you know, this person cheated on his wife and his girlfriend and everything. It's because of the availability of the options. You see, you're one click away from everything.
Again, availability, what about integrity? What about your own, sort of, can say, your feelings or sort of you have some relationship with your partner?
I think availability of options and lack of communication in relationships. Because if you're not feeling a certain way in a relationship and if you choose to talk,
Yeah.
आदमी सिर्फ सुन रहा है, समझ नहीं रहा है. समझना is
Comprehending the thing.
exactly.
Okay.
You need to comprehend
Yeah.
what the other person, what your partner is saying.
Mhm.
लोग सिर्फ सुन रहे हैं for the sake of सुनना कि हाँ मैंने सुन लिया. Comprehend तो करो. Without comprehending, thing is waste. The conversation is waste. So I think availability of options and lack of proper communication and then comprehending it is what pushing people to cheat. क्योंकि उनको लग रहा है इस रिलेशनशिप से तो मैं इमोशनली सेटिस्फाई नहीं हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल.
Right.
अब क्या करें? ना सामने वाला सुन रहा है, ना कॉन्वर्सेशन करना चाह रहा है, कर भी रहा है तो समझ नहीं रहा है. एंड इफ द पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड डूइंग नथिंग अबाउट इट, इट्स आल्सो अ वेस्ट.
Yeah, frustrating. That's true. And then na एक लाइफ मेरी जिंदगी.
Correct.
That's it, right?
Cheating. But it's very sad.
So you are a very eloquent person because you are a radio jockey. You could have talked via your social media platform about this thing, but why enter the print media? You wanted to, again, other frontier you wanted to cross. Print media, why did you choose this?
आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज रेडियो ने मुझे हमेशा एड्स की वजह से, हमारे पास एक बहुत ही लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम होता है.
Okay.
और मुझे कहना बहुत था.
ठीक.
मेरे पास समय बहुत कम था
Okay.
रेडियो में.
Mm-hmm.
और सेम इज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड सोशल मीडिया
Yeah,
आल्सो.
yeah, yeah.
समय इतना कम है, लोगों का अटेंशन स्पैन इतना छोटा हो गया है
Mm-hmm.
कि जो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ मुझे नहीं पता वो सुनेगा कि नहीं सुनेगा. बट बुक इज समथिंग जो वो अपने स्पीड से पढ़ लेगा.
हाँ, जिसका टूटा दिल है
वो अपने आप पढ़ लेगा.
कोने में बैठ के
करेक्ट
पढ़ेगा.
करेक्ट ऑलराइट बस.
Right. And so in your book, there's a lot of mention from the AC's desk.
यस.
Explain that, please.
So AC is my therapist friend. Her name is Anandita Chatterjee, and she's not my therapist. She's my therapist friend. So as I said, कि breakup is or heartbreak is just not physical. It's mental. People don't talk about कि एक heartbreak आपके मानसिक चीजों को कितना बिगाड़ के रख देता है. So AC ने हर चैप्टर में मेरे मेंटल स्टेट का डिकोड किया है.
Yeah.
कि what I was going through, like for example, I did not know when I had a panic attack. It's a panic attack. मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि वो panic attack होता है. मुझे बस कुछ फील हो रहा था physical, but it was coming from my brain. So AC ने लिखा है कि panic attack क्या होता है, how to stop overthinking, because overthinking is mostly negative. It's never positive.
Mm-hmm.
If your overthinking is positive, you're God blessed. You're blessed. So overthinking is mostly negative. How to stop that? There are tools, but again, I would say it's very subjective. And if anybody is going through anything, they need to consult their own therapist for any other future adjustments.
Right. So you backed your, you can say your story or your facts with facts from the ACs,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Which is very commendable.
Yeah.
It gives you more validation for your product
Yeah,
and your
because I think
subject.
if therapist is telling you about something,
Yes, yes, sir.
because she's an expert.
Yeah.
मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था what a panic attack is. So I think yeah, AC has done a phenomenal job in the book.
So your first chapter, which just grabbed my eyeballs, was the cardinal mistake of falling in love with your best friend. Hello. Don't we know that? वो शाहरुख खान ने बोला था दोस्ती ही प्यार है. Where
So
did that
Karan
go?
Johar is spoiling all the brains and minds for centuries. प्यार पागलपन है. No. Karan Johar is pursuing anxiety for life. Please don't do that. प्यार पागलपन बिल्कुल नहीं है. प्यार सुकून है, शांति है. मतलब somebody is out for work. Suppose if my husband is out for work, and if I have to constantly worry that he might cheat me or he might go out with some other girl, what kind of love is that? This is pagalpan, and I don't want to be there.
But don't we want our partners to be our friends, our best
Okay,
friends?
so I'll tell you this.
Yeah.
So when you fall in love with your best friend, relationship becomes very complicated.
Okay.
Instead, you choose a partner romantically and then become friends with this person. This is what I would like to pursue. And this is what I
Arranged marriage is better.
arranged marriage. Yeah, that you choose a partner.
It's about turn you're talking about, huh?
शादी हो जाएगी प्यार अपने आप होता
अपने आप हो जाएगा.
हाँ, या मतलब प्यार अगर अपने आप होता रहेगा ना दोस्ती हो जाएगी. Because I feel मैं थोड़ा arranged, very for the arranged
Maybe
marriage.
I've seen so many videos of your this marriage, love marriage
Yeah.
and all that. I'll
Yeah.
hear about that later.
Yeah,
Definitely.
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब आप अरेंज मैरिज करते हो, बिकॉज मेरी मम्मा की अरेंज मैरिज थी, मेरे घर में काफी लोग
ये
थे.
सबकी हमारी
हाँ.
arranged marriage ही थी.
But I think वही ना कि उस वक्त लोग ना निभाना जानते थे, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Yes.
They had more patience. कि हम निभा ले.
Adjustment.
Yeah.
Adjustment.
This generation lacks patience. Ask me. This generation lacks कि हम निभा लेंगे. No.
Young people sitting out here.
This is what happens when you take your money.
Raise your hand, the young
I'll
people.
give you success.
Yeah, young girls.
I'll ask.
Yes, yes, yeah. You can ask them. They're going to be siding with you at all times.
Yeah, and I think मुझे सभी बोलते हैं, even my mother-in-law, my बुआ, like I have a lot of examples, you know, कि at one point उन्होंने अपनी family में in-laws के साथ काफी ही ज़्यादा adjust किया है, खराब चीजें देखी हैं. And मैंने उनको बोला कि तुमने छोड़ा क्यों नहीं? No. And they said कि हमारे सर पे छत नहीं थी. It's the financial freedom they're talking about. If they had financial freedom, they would have left that marriage long back. Is what I feel. And today's girl have financial freedom. My mom said one thing to me कि मैं तुम्हारी शादी तब तक नहीं करूँगी जब तक तुम financially independent नहीं हो जाती. And I love her for that. Me being a banya getting married at the age of 29 is a nightmare to the family that oh my god मेरे सारे छोटे भाई बहनों की शादी हो गई. I got married at the age of 29. Ashine 30, I don't know. But yeah, whatever. So it was a nightmare for my parents. And my mom, you know, the way she has supported me in this, that you know, नहीं करेगी वो शादी. जब तक वो अपना career नहीं बनाने की वो शादी नहीं करेगी. And she kept pursuing that, and I love her for that.
Wonderful, wonderful. When you go back, all this
Always
years
a
of that.
friend.
Yes,
I
please do
will.
that.
I will.
So in this book, you have compared your relationship with your ex with Monica and Chandler. How many shout out for the friends? I feel, even I am a friend who is, you can say, and Ross and Rachel, they fit the bill more because they are always on a break.
यार मोनिका एंड चैंडलर बिकॉज वो पहले दोस्त थे बिफोर द रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप. रॉस एंड रेचल
Yeah, they
they
had
once say
infatuation. Yes.
romantic they were romantic partners to each other since day one. So Monica and Chandler because they were friends and I was friends with this person for 7 years.
Yeah.
A platonic relationship.
Platonic.
Yeah. For 7 years. Yeah. So I think that's why Monica and Chandler.
All right, all right. So in the end, they get married. If
That's
they have
my
a
sad
sequel-
story. I have written a book,
And
guys.
yes. And if we have a sequel of that, I don't know what's going to happen now. It's
I
very
don't
different.
know. Yeah. Actually, when I gave the name Monica and Chandler, तो मेरे दिमाग में तो मेरी शादी हो चुकी थी ना. It didn't happen in real. What to do?
In this book again, you have listed many red flags about relationships, like one
Yeah.
should be aware. A few you can just point this to people if you feel we should be looking out for red flags. Again, the young crowd out here.
Yeah, so I have seen. I'll talk about my
Yeah, please,
ex
yeah.
relationships. They have a tendency of putting you as a criminal and playing themselves as a victim when they have done wrong to you.
Yes, right. Absolutely.
It's called gaslighting. Yes, they will do something wrong and then they will play a victim. कि oh, तुमने you know, अरे you are behaving like a bad person. How else you want me to react? So that's called gaslighting. And a lot,
Okay.
a lot of people don't know about it, but it's there. And I think the lack of communication. So you need to set the rules for your relationship कि मेरे लिए ये बहुत important है. And your partner should respect it irrespective. For example, मेरे लिए दिन में 1 घंटा बात करना बहुत important है. It's not something too much that I'm asking for. And if your partner can't give that, why do I need such a partner? So
It goes both ways, right?
yeah, needs सबकी अलग अलग होती है relationship में. You just have to put it out there. And आपके partner को उसे comprehend भी करना चाहिए. If they're not comprehending that, of course ऐसा हो सकता है कभी आप busy हो बात नहीं हुई इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि मैं एक दिन बात नहीं होगी तो मैं breakup कर दूंगी. That's stupidity. But कुछ needs होती है लोगों की like जैसे मैं long distance relationship is something that I can't do. I feel that out of sight, out of mind होने लगता है मेरे लिए and it becomes difficult. मैं भले ही साथ में उसके साथ बैठ के काम कर रही हूँ हम दोनों लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहे हैं but I just want us to be together having coffee or chatting or something like that, even working. So that's me as a person. Maybe आप बहुत अलग हो, maybe आपका long distance ही बढ़िया चलता हो. So it's very subjective. Your needs should be communicated to your partner and they should understand that. Ghost कर देना, reply नहीं करना 10-20 घंटे, You've no idea where your partner is. What's all this? And this generation is just doing this.
Here speaks a goody baby.
Yeah, I think I've become that. I often tell Shrey that, I'm so lucky and fortunate to have found him in this generation.
So you've given tips also. You're not prescription how to heal a broken heart. Did you meet any fan or readers or followers who came up to you and they hugged you and said, "Thank you so much, आपने मेरा दिमाग की बत्ती जला दी." Or somebody came, ये क्या लिखा था मेरा रेशम खराब कर दिया. So did you get bricks that or
Actually, अभी नहीं, because अभी सिर्फ 10 से 15 दिन हुए बुक को मार्केट में गए हुए. It's too early, but I got many messages from a lot of people. I'm still waiting for a hug. But I got so many messages across social media from the people who follow me or wanted to read the book. They said you just healed something that you've never broken.
Oh wow.
And that was the best thing to come to me as a writer.
So nice.
So this one's for you.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we are waiting for you to be hugged, and of course, I think everybody who goes with the book would. I'm sure about that.
Yeah.
And give the
I
first
wish.
hug of me.
Thank you. Yeah, my first hug.
Okay, so again in the book you have mentioned, you have quoted many movie stars, you've quoted many authors and singers
Yeah.
and everybody. So that means you're a big Bollywood fan.
Yeah.
I think everybody is, and especially our famous and our dear SRK.
Yeah.
But now he again, maybe I'm quoting now Karan Johar out here. He says, "एक जिंदगी है, हम एक बार जीते हैं, एक बार मरते हैं, but प्यार भी हम एक बार ही करते हैं." And you do not agree with him?
Of course.
Okay.
Karan Johar wants to be like that. I don't want to be like that. I resonate with the Ranveer Singh song. प्यार होता 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 कई बार है.
Oh, yes.
I believe in it. So for example, okay,
Uh-huh.
somebody's got a heart broken.
Mhm.
Okay, somebody got divorced
Mhm.
because आजकल divorces बहुत हो रहे हैं जो मैंने सुने हैं. अब क्या वो अकेले इंसान अपनी पूरी जिंदगी बिता रहे हो और दोबारा प्यार ना करे? मैंने किताब लिखी ही इसलिए. It's very difficult to move on. Easier said than done. I was there. जितना मैं easy sound कर रही हूँ उतनी ही खराब मेरी मेंटल कंडीशन रही थी उस टाइम पे. पर मुझे लगता है कि प्यार का हक तो सबको होता है यार. ठीक है, एक रिलेशनशिप खराब हो गया, that doesn't mean कि आप पूरी जिंदगी अपने आप को उसकी सजा देंगे. क्यों देंगे? If you have an opportunity to love again, and if someone wants to love you, why not?
Right.
So I don't believe in this that प्यार एक ही बार होता है, एक ही. हाँ, हम जीते मरते एक ही बार है. मरने के बाद कोई इंसान वापस नहीं आ सकता. That's for sure. But I think प्यार हम.
I think you've related this to a job interview. If you fail, you do not give up.
Yeah. That's what I've written.
Yeah.
That कि एक job नहीं clear हुआ, you wanted something very badly. You try for another job, you don't give up.
Right.
So sure, जैसे कि I think Dear Zindagi is one of the most beautiful films that has ever been made. आपको कई कुर्सियों पे बैठना पड़ता है शायद ताकि आप एक comfortable chair आपको आपकी मिल जाए. Please treat love like that. फालतू का सजा मत दो खुद को.
But you've said one thing very important. This before moving on, you must HEAL, heal.
Yes.
Yeah. And now, what is the meaning of heal in your terminology? How do you describe heal?
Heal is a very chaotic journey. It's not like a switch that you will switch it on, you will switch it off. It will take its own course of time. और सबका healing का process और journey बहुत अलग है. किसी को 6 महीने लग सकते हैं, किसी को 1 साल लग सकता है, किसी को 7 साल का रिलेशनशिप बुलाने के लिए 7 साल लग सकते हैं. It's very subject. किसी को जिंदगी भर लग सकता है, to be honest. And it's an ongoing process. Healing is an ongoing process. There's nothing like you are healed.
So when this person knows I'm healed, I'm ready to move on.
शायद आपको
Again, subjective and
very subjective. Because अभी भी कई सारी चीजें जो मुझे trigger कर जाती हैं. It's been 4 years.
Okay.
And there are things which trigger me suddenly. I can't call myself healed.
I'm feeling quite sad for the young generation hearing this.
But it's all true. I feel my generation.
So friends, this book, when I went through that, earlier the first part is all about healing and moving on, about the breakup. The second part is about how one should maintain the relationship. She's become wiser now, she's healed, as the going says, and she's written about how to maintain relationship, which is done very beautifully.
Thank you.
With a lot of wisdom.
Yeah.
ये जो ज्ञान आया, इनलाइटमेंट आया, ये कब आया? आफ्टर मैरिज आया कि बिफोर आया?
ये मेरी जिंदगी में जब लग चुके थे बुरी तरह से तब अपने आप आ गया. I think it's all the experiences. I had nothing but to, because मुझे अचीव इतना कुछ करना था लाइफ में. I had to heal. I had to do things out of impatience. मतलब, yeah, this was all experience.
Yeah, okay.
All experience, and I took it very slow. I was like, let me rebound. So this generation also has a rebound thing. It's when you break up, you pick up a random person on street. Rebound को कभी पता नहीं होता. Yeah. And I always say कि rebound को कभी पता नहीं होता कि वो rebound है. Rebound को लगता है कि उसको तो सच्चा प्यार मिल गया है. नहीं. This person will leave you in 2 months. I'm telling you. So this was rebound is kandha basically.
Right.
तो rebound is also there. मतलब मैंने rebound नहीं लिया लेकिन उस time.
Good.
I got advices like, you know, to get over a guy, to get under a guy. I'm like, are you mad? 29? What are you saying? I can't do all this nonsense. And I'm a demisexual. Demisexual is you cannot have a romantic relationship with someone unless you are emotionally connected to them.
Okay.
So that's me.
Okay.
Yeah. But बहुत सारे तरह के लोग होते हैं. I don't judge anybody. So yeah, I think it's all the experiences that have made me wiser. But I'm glad they made me wiser and not like a moron or something.
And one line really like for this, you've written, modern love is now viewed as a psychological landmine for the young generation.
Yeah.
It is. It's not easy.
It's
like
not
what
easy.
we had.
It's
And
not
love, as you say, is a choice.
Yeah.
It's a commitment.
Yeah. It's a commitment to choose this person every day, even when you don't feel loved some days. And there
Isn't
might
that called adjustment now?
yeah, so everyone adjust.
Mm.
See, even I am adjusting in my marriage. It's not like that I haven't made any adjustments. It's just that the person had to be worthy enough to be with me. And I was okay making adjustments. हम सब प्यार में adjust करते हैं. Adjustment से problem नहीं है. इंसान सही होना चाहिए. फिर उसके लिए तुम्हें I will move mountains for the person. But the insan has to be worth it for all the efforts that you're putting in. If you're doing so much in a relationship and the guy comes up and say, तुमने किया ही क्या है मेरे लिए? Oh no, that will break your heart into million pieces. So I think recognition that कि तुम्हारा सामने वाला person वो क्या कर रहा है तुम्हारे लिए is very important.
Right. तो ये करण जोहर और यश चोपड़ा को मूवीज बनाने दें. You should not influence by them.
You please read Unloved. Very sensible thing to do.
Yeah. And your reels are really very entertaining and very hilarious and very relatable.
Yeah.
So can you just favorite episodes of you would like to just go about it? Just quote it for us, all of us.
Yaar, I think my post-marriage reels
Okay.
went crazily viral, like 70 million, 50 million.
Oh.
But I think one of my favorite reels is that my father, he's so obsessed with this whole damat thing coming in.
Bani also.
Yeah, and I'm like, Papa, what is wrong with you? You know, he's doing everything and मतलब गमले के नीचे झाड़ू वाड़ू लगाए दे रहे हैं. I'm like, why? मैंने कहा आपके गमले के नीचे थोड़ी बैठ जाएगा वो. So I think it's that reel that's one of my favorite. Another is when someone calls me in my marriage, Harshi Chachi. I know Chachi.
Overnight you get tags. Chachi,
I'm like,
mummy.
Chachi. मैंने कहा, bro, look at me. Do I look like a Chachi? What are you saying? Call me bro, call me whatever. Don't call me Chachi. So I think that was fun. That was interesting.
So, friends, again, I'm telling you, this book is just not for the young generation, for us as well. You'll get to know the psyche of the new generation and the new word. There's so many new words I was trying to put them to paper: breadcrumbing, roaching, cuffing, cushioning. I mean,
It's on your page.
yeah. So just explain a few, please. Be
So
more wiser.
the cuffing season is coming, guys.
What is cuffing season now?
It's not cuffing.
Oh, then.
C-U-F-F-I-N-G.
Oh,
Yeah,
coffee.
cuffing season. It's a romantic relationship just for winters.
Oh.
Yeah, and you said that, and you said you said the statement right
Oh,
there.
really?
That we are together. It's for cuffing season. We are together only for winters.
Okay, to keep you warm.
It's just to keep you
Keep
warm.
warm.
And
Okay.
then cushioning.
Cushioning, I forgot. Yeah, I
Breadcrumbing.
Breadcrumbing, I'll tell you. Breadcrumbing is something when someone will give you a little love, withdraw.
And withdraw.
Little love, withdraw. So like this person is keeping you hooked,
Yeah.
you know, for the attention.
Tuppudu around.
Correct. So you are wagging your tail and going behind this person. But what this person is doing is called breadcrumbing.
I think Shashi is going to get, you know.
Yeah.
He says, if I call it mental nahi aa gayi. Yeah.
Harshitasaurus.
Perfect. Fine. So I think I've covered many questions. Now, anything which you'd like to give some advice to the young and the old people out here? Even we like to learn from the young generation. So be more wiser, be more invited to think with our children.
One thing that I would like to tell this generation is please don't judge your children because actually उनके हाथ में कुछ है नहीं.
The cat here is cat.
Yeah, I think the more you will be friends to them, the more happy you will be because you'll be able to help them.
Absolutely.
And if you just shut the door on their faces, now they'll never come to you. And instead, it's better that I think my mom helped me a lot when I was going through this phase. You know, she said a lot of things like, this could have been worse, इससे भी बुरा हो सकता था, you could have been married and then this would have happened, and a lot of things like that. So I think एक mother जो अपने बच्चे को समझा सकती है और जो उसको समझ आता है ना, वो कोई नहीं समझा सकता, कोई भी नहीं समझा सकता. And I also feel that अगर कभी भी किसी को भी लगे कि उसको थेरेपी की जरूरत है, लोग कहते हैं कि पागल लोग थेरेपी लेते हैं, बट मुझे लगता है अगर आप पागल ना हो जाए इसलिए लोग थेरेपी लेते हैं. That you don't go mad. So I think you should seek professional help. I still have a therapist. I still take sessions. पहले वीक में 2 थे, अभी need base है when I feel the need. Because आप अगर विदेश की बात करें, so वहाँ पे therapy culture is very important and everyone should have a therapist on board. If you're working, you should have a therapist. It's the mandate that you have to follow. Imagine. So therapy is not at all bad. It'll help you. You may not find the right therapist in the beginning. Maybe you get for short right.
Yeah.
But it's just like a doctor. एक डॉक्टर के पास आप जाते हैं, आपको नहीं सही लगता, उसकी दवाई काम नहीं करती, आप दूसरे डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि if your heart is broken or if you're hurt in any way, your family has hurt you, you have family trauma, anything like that. दिल चोट लगती है तो दिखता है ना, दिल पे चोट लगती है तो बस दिखता नहीं है, but चोट होती है. That needs healing. And you need to heal it because that's your body part. So I think therapy and healing is very important.
Wonderful. You've just used a word pace. I would like you people to tell the meaning. The crux of the whole book, I think, comes in the word pace.
Pace.
Yeah,
You mean
pace.
speed.
No. You have used the word pace, which is P for priority,
Oh.
authenticity.
Yeah.
The whole crux of the book lies in this.
Yeah.
Carry something with me, a takeaway you can say from the book.
Yeah.
Shall I have to tell you? Oh,
Yes.
forgotten.
Yeah. I have
Young generation, sharp memory.
last year.
P for priority,
Yeah.
or A for authenticity,
Yes.
C for communication, and E for empathy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think everything is a priority in life. If you're here today, I think Prabha Khaitan Foundation was a priority for you. That's why you're here. And this is the same way you treat people in life. So you need to set your priorities right. Like so when my husband says that मुझे अपने male friends के साथ जाना है, sure go. But if I have something important to attend and I want you to be there, you decide your priority. So prioritizing in life is very important. Even for your work,
Yeah.
not just personally, professionally, because I have a lot of work to do. So I prioritize. जो important नहीं है, जो मामी important नहीं है, मैं उनके घर नहीं जाती हूँ. चाहे उनको बुरा लग जाए. It's about prioritizing, okay? So that is there.
Authenticity.
Yeah, you have to be very authentic. You can't lie to yourself.
Yeah.
If you'll keep lying to yourself, how will you face yourself? Matlab, I am just being honest to myself. That's very important, being honest to yourself. Even if you're doing something wrong, you need to be honest to yourself. That's very important. You need to be really authentic. Another,
Communication.
as I said,
Yeah.
communication and comprehending both is very important. You just talking your things to your partner or to anybody in the world, and if the other person is not comprehending, it's a waste.
Yeah.
that conversation is a waste.
And empathy, the last one.
Extremely important.
Yeah.
People just don't have empathy these days, and it makes me sad. Empathy can take you places you can't even imagine. So I think to have empathy, no matter where you are, what financial status you have, where you have reached in life, how many businesses you have launched, if you do not have empathy, you're a waste of a human.
Wonderful. Absolutely amazing. And I opener. And I think my public, my people are right here ready for many questions. They have many questions.
Please ask.
Mike, yes?
About this unloved
Yes,
thing.
yes.
What about the men's perspective?
No. Okay, so it goes both the sides. Even the male who is in a relationship expects a lot of things that the women expects in a relationship. It's just communication. Sure, it's my story, so it's from a female perspective, but I say all the things for men and women both. Communication तो आपको करना पड़ेगा sir.
ये तो दोनों साइड पे करना पड़ेगा.
So like, I agree. So like Zakir Khan ने बोला ना, अच्छा ठीक है, first red flag. If you're saying अच्छा ठीक है on a call and not listening to what she's saying and washing your face and doing whatever hair and everything, it's a red flag. Not that I'm calling Zakir Khan a red flag or maybe, but yeah, it's for both the sides.
And the second thing which you talked about is you talked about the younger generation.
Yes.
You emphasized a lot about the younger generation.
Because I am
I
from that
think
generation.
no, you might be the younger generation, but I think this holds true with the older generation also.
Of course.
It holds
Because it's
true.
the upbringing. And you know, no. I think now I have seen and I have figured it out. The kind of marriage your parents had affects you a lot. It actually it actually is the foundation of a relationship in your life.
And the relationship between the husband and the wife.
Yes.
In front of the children.
Yes.
And
Yes, absolutely. 100% on that.
एक ज़माना था मेरे grandfather का.
Yeah.
Whatever the grandfather would say, the grandmother would agree.
Yeah.
दिन है तो दिन है, रात है तो रात है.
No.
And how much soever we would convince her, नहीं ये गलत है. No, she
Correct.
wouldn't budge.
Because
That
we
was
live
the
in a
era.
They
patriarchal
were
world.
conditioned like that.
That was the era.
They were conditioned
Up
like
They
to-
were
that.
exactly.
अब तो दिन है,
No.
अब
I'll
तो
tell you.
दिन बोलोगे तो younger generation हो या कोई भी
Yeah.
generation, the arguments are always there.
Yeah, and I think it's great. It's because we live in a patriarchal world. You believe it or not, we women have. हमें अगर कुछ basic सा भी मिलता है ना, we feel oh my god. People talk about Bollywood. There is no salary में इतना disparity है. The male actor and the female actor, and you believe it or not, we are living in a patriarchal world. Men are favored.
आपने देख ही लिया कमला हैरिस वर्सेस डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प.
Yeah.
कमला
Sorry.
हार गई, कमला जीत गया.
So I think इसीलिए शायद मैंने female perspective से I am a
पर
woman.
आदमी का दिल भी बहुत टूटता है.
I agree.
बहुत टूटता है.
I'm
वो
sorry,
बताता
I-
नहीं है. Doesn't express. It takes much longer because the men will not communicate. It's dry inside.
That's the problem. यही तो problem है अक्सर. Men don't communicate.
Communication is the biggest disease.
Yes. As I said, that you know it's very important.
और आदमी बोलता कम है.
क्यों?
क्योंकि वो कहेगी मत बोलो.
ऐसा नहीं है. आप कभी एक सेकेंड. No. अगर
वो तभी बात चली गई है.
आप कभी उनकी
हर्षदा, you can explain what
I think आप उनकी तारीफ करिए, मुझे नहीं लगता वो आपको कभी बोलेंगी चुप रहो.
तारीफ करूं क्या इनकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया.
Yes, absolutely.
She's been a big support to me. And I think we've both been equal supporters to each other.
Yeah.
It's a good day for us today.
Yeah. Lovely. It should not happen.
हम लड़ते भी हैं,
Best.
हम हंसते भी
That's
हैं,
also
हम सब कुछ करते हैं.
Communication.
बिल्कुल है.
You know, मैंने अपनी बुक में एक और चीज लिखी है कि जो लोग बोलते हैं ना हनीमून पीरियड, There's nothing called honeymoon period. One of you are faking it
It's a
out.
prolonged
Yes.
honeymoon.
If you are setting the boundaries straight from day one, that this is what you need, this is your need, then no honeymoon period.
Let it
Because
be
it's
a,
two different people who are coming together.
let it be a honey bunny period. Sit it down.
नहीं नहीं, please be your authentic self. Fight पहले लड़ लो, बाद में लड़ाइयाँ कम हो जाएंगी. Because आपने पहले इतना लड़ लिया. So I don't believe in honeymoon periods.
Right.
And later on in our life, I think at the stage we are having a second honeymoon.
Lovely.
I
Best.
must say, this is a second honeymoon for us.
Best marriage.
Anyway, it's been wonderful listening to you.
It was
And,
absolute pleasure.
How many likes have you got from the men?
I don't know.
आपके likes है ना 40,000
I have
कितना
more
बोला?
men population following me.
अब मेरे को बताओ, you've been talking to the therapist.
Yes.
Why couldn't your husband be the therapist?
Not professionally.
No, I'll tell
Not
you.
professionally,
I'll tell you.
but you have to talk.
I'll tell you. So
No,
there
no,
are
no,
times
no.
when I have problem with
Even
my
right
husband.
now you said you were going through
There are
that.
times when I have problem with my husband.
Mhm.
I can't talk to my husband directly. I need some kind of stability to speak to him before. What should I say? Because I'm a very short-tempered person. So I need to think before I talk. Sometimes I don't find the right words. I feel the words can hamper the relationship. Anything.
Yes.
I mean, more than anything, the words will hamper the relationship.
It does that.
Yeah. So I prefer choosing my words very wisely. And for that, if I have to take an advice from a therapist, I will always go
But
there.
that's something very, very important. You are doing it because sometimes we just talk.
No.
We just say things.
Yeah.
Which
For-
we
I
repent.
first process my emotions.
Repent later.
Yes.
That
No.
I should not have said that.
No. I don't do that because I know
But that's
what.
very balanced.
Yeah, I know.
You don't need a therapist.
Because words once they come out,
Yeah.
they never be able to
Yes.
come back. So you
Yes.
have to think before you
Yes.
talk. You know.
So I choose my
You
words
don't
very
want to hurt
wisely.
anybody.
I read something about your this thing. You have something comedy about it. What is that?
Comedy about what?
इधर कुछ लिखा था.
I am a comedy person.
कुछ बताओ ना.
I am a comedy.
कॉमेडी का बताओ ना कुछ.
No, you need to log into my Instagram for that.
थोड़ा सा तो बोल दो.
नहीं. I have to write scripts before I say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she's gonna write about Amritsar visit.
I will.
See on Insta.
Yeah.
So I see.
I had some amazing chola
सारा कुछ रीना ने ना बेचारी के ऊपर पॉइंट कर दिया बेचारी. Such a good girl she is.
Yeah, she's a good girl.
Any other
But
questions?
tell me, when you have definitions like panic attack, anxiety attacks,
Yes.
there's a lot of children who tend to enact these because they now have a definition.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is your reaction to that? Without that definition, I understand that these problems weren't recognized earlier, but there's a lot of children who are now faking it.
But why are they faking it? Like, what
Attention.
Validation,
And
attention,
maybe
that's
comprehension of like in a conflict situation. And if you talk
I
about
think second grade and today is at such an early age.
to internet?
Yeah, to internet.
Yeah.
And they are not I don't think they have that mental ability to understand those terms.
Right.
So they are exposed at that early age. In fact, I want to talk about LGBTQ because I
Yeah.
also work in this particular field. And parents are coming to me and they're talking that, they want to try what is gay thing because they are aware to it. They want to try at that age. ये तो होता है ना, with age you understand
Yeah.
and because of
By the young
exposure.
children or
Yeah, young children. They want to because they are getting exposed. All these new series have this part in it.
Of course.
And mental health awareness is important. I understand, but she's right because छोटे बच्चे act कर रहे हैं. उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा.
This is something which I would like to say. Everything has pros and cons. This is the con of internet.
Yeah, it's
It's
huge.
because we as children, हमारे पास इतना limited access था of internet. But today's generation has so much of access for everything.
Yeah.
They have access to everything, internet, Netflix, Amazon, and I think that's a con of internet. It is.
Because like you said, especially like with the LGBTQ,
Yeah.
the exposure even through Disney, the
Yes.
fact that Disney
Really?
is yes.
Yes.
It's in the cartoons.
You mean cartoons?
Yes.
Even Harry Potter was shown that Dumbledore was gay.
Nancy Drew.
No, they were not. these things were not there.
It was not.
But
there.
now, even Archie has got one character always. One character is always like that. Nowadays.
But now
Supposedly, I don't know.
supposedly to normalize things.
But I think it's kind of, I don't think it's normal. I mean, it's a con of internet, yeah. That's all I can say.
Too much of technology.
Australia is putting a ban on social media
Yeah.
from the 16th.
You know, I have seen so many people giving their children phone taki wo roye nahi. What is this? You don't.
I see children, I'm a pediatrician, I see children who are not eating food, even at the age of 6 months. Phone लगा देते हैं, बच्चे के मुंह में डाली जा
So
रहे
it's the.
It's an automation.
But this is so wrong.
Wrong, it is wrong.
This is the conditioning that you're giving them.
But this is very wrong.
Easy for parents, yes, easy way out.
I
The mothers will have patience.
Patience.
This generation. The key is the patience. The mothers will have the patience.
You know, you've been very lucky to have very supportive parents.
Yes, touch
I've
wood.
been very lucky to have very supportive parents.
Yes, touch wood.
But nowadays, some parents come to me with their children. They say
Yeah.
the children are non-communicative with us.
Yeah.
They don't talk to us. In spite of the fact that we try to talk to them, they're closed.
It's because they have done it all.
Parents
They've
have
done it all.
Yeah.
Parents, yes.
You have.
Okay.
You can't be like so harsh to your children. I have friends who are very close with their families. They don't share anything with their family. And on contradictory, they see me while I'm sharing everything with my family. So what is this? They both are from the same generation. But you know, once my friend had a very bad incident with her father, wherein like it's just bad. I won't talk about it. But anything of that sort, if ever happened in my life, matlab, I would have taken a back. So it's the parents.
Because you've never seen the other side of the
Exactly. And that's why I call myself very fortunate.
You're
touch
very
wood, and
fortunate.
very lucky that I've not seen that side of the family, and I don't want to see that side of the family.
And you have to have a close family ties, you know.
Yeah.
Play a game together.
Yeah, I've
Have
always seen that kind of
have
family. Someone
activities
used to make
together.
children something. Yeah, so I think it's my growing up years and my upbringing.
I think she's giving a signal. Stop
Yeah,
now.
it's over. It's over, guys.
So as this evening comes to extend my sincere thanks to our author Harshita Gupta. Thank you for sharing your insights and your stories. Reena Kundra, thank you for wonderfully and seamlessly moderating the conversation. And at the heart of today's event, our audience. Thank you for being an enthusiastic and a curious one. I extend my wholehearted thanks to our hospitality partner, Taj Swarna, Hindi print media partner, Dainik Jagran, and the untiring support of the Ehsaas Women of Amritsar, Praneeth, Preeti ji and me. Prabhakar Foundation promotes cross-state cultural understanding and appreciation. A mix of cultures form the backbone of a nation, contributing to its vibrancy and richness. This is to support our ongoing efforts to foster unity and appreciation of the rich cultural heritage across India's diverse states by exchanging cross-city cultural mementos. Today we are pleased to felicitate the author and the conversationist with our handcrafted Jaipuri puppets from the vibrant state of Rajasthan. Katputli, which is a string marionette, was first patronized by the founder of Jaipur, Maharaja Jai Singh II, to create an identity for the state. These puppets echo Rajasthan's heritage folk culture and its legacy and are an integral part of the Rajasthani puppet dance shows. Jaipuri puppets are art lovers' delight as fascinating collectibles. I would now request Dr. Manchanda to please come up and felicitate Ms. Harshita Gupta, our author, and Ms. Reena Kundra.